Hello, Facebook friends. I'm Christy with Create with Christy. If you've never been here, welcome. And those of you who have been here, thank you so much for always showing your support. So anyway, today I have something really fun for you. I hope you're excited. It's a template. It's a free template. If you're on my email list, it will go straight to your inbox, maybe today or maybe tomorrow. And then if you're not on my email list, I will post a link where you can go straight there and sign up. So this is what the template looks like. Trust in the Lord with all your heart. And I cut it out kind of like a heart because I put it on this dollar find at Dollar Tree, okay? And this will go right there. Isn't that fun? So I hope you enjoy this template. Let me show you a picture of what it looks like, the before and the after. Okay, see how on the right-hand side it's just a plain heart, and it's like a cardboard, and it has like the little hanger on it. It's bigger than it looks on there. If you compare it to that piece of paper, that's 8.5 by 11, the Trust in the Lord. So when you print that out, cut around it so you can see where it lines up. Let me show you. So cut around it, wait, like I did. And then when you put it on the heart, just kind of center it. It's backwards. I don't know what I'm doing. Center it right there. And to transfer it onto black, the best way to do that is to get chalk, okay? So you'll trace the back of this. You can see through it. So you'll trace the back of it with white chalk. And then when you turn it over to trace, then it'll transfer. So I hope that helps. And some of you may just want to use it as a reference. And then some of you might want to use it on something else, or just use it with tracing paper and practice your lettering. So however you use it, that's up to you. It doesn't have to be just for Valentine's Day, but I thought it would be something really fun for you to do. So run to the Dollar Tree. Hopefully they'll have some left. And thanks guys for all your support and love. And I will check you out later. Bye.